Ukraine appears to have surprised Russia this week with a series of counterattacks in the northeast of the country, with military strategists saying Kiev is likely to have taken advantage of a recent redeployment of Russian troops to defend against a counteroffensive in the south. President Volodymyr Zelensky confirmed the counterattack took place on Wednesday, saying in his nightly address that "We have good news from the Kharkiv region," as he announced that several settlements had been retaken without giving further details. Now is not the time to name the towns where the Ukrainian flag is returning, he said, presumably as Ukraine aims to maintain a strategic military advantage. He added that each success of our military in one direction or another changes the general situation along the entire front in favor of Ukraine. The more difficult it is for the occupiers, the more losses they have, the better the positions for our defenders in Donbass will be. The more reliable the defense of Zaporozhye and Mykolaiv, the cities of Dnipropetrovsk region, will be, the sooner we will be able to liberate the Azov coastline and the entire south, Zelensky said. Both Ukrainian and Russian sources have been commenting on the counterattacks over the last few days. Oleksiy Arestovich, an advisor to Zelensky, tweeted Tuesday that counteroffensive actions by the armed forces of Ukraine are taking place not only in the south of Ukraine, but also in the east and southeast. Meanwhile, pro-Russian military blogger Daniel Besonov has been posting in recent days about locals in Kharkiv, reporting an accumulation of Ukrainian manpower and equipment in the region, and on Tuesday announced an attack on the town of Balaklia between Kharkiv and Izium. On Thursday, he noted on Telegram, however, that Balaklia is not taken. The enemy is trying to enter from different sides. Throughout the summer, Ukraine had said it would launch a counteroffensive to retake Kherson and occupied land in the south, but had made no mention of the occupied northeast and eastern Donbass. Analysts at the Institute for the Study of War believe that Ukrainian forces in the Kharkiv region are likely exploiting the reallocation of Russian forces to the southern front to conduct an opportunistic yet highly effective counteroffensive northwest of Izium. The ISW believed that Ukraine's tactical surprise had enabled its forces to advance at least 12 miles into Russian-held territory in the eastern part of the Kharkiv region on Wednesday, recapturing approximately 400 square kilometers of ground. Russian sources claim that Russian troops began deploying reinforcements to the area to defend against Ukraine's advances, but said the Russian grouping in this area was likely under strength due to previous Russian deployments to support ongoing efforts to capture the remainder of Donetsk Oblast and support the southern axis.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.